San Jose, California. Tully and Center. That's the 7-Eleven there. And this is Tully Center Plaza. I seen helicopters out here. And this is February 8th, 2021. Sometime past 11 p.m. Did they find that SUV? Because I did see an Amber Alert. It's supposed to be a silver Honda or something. This guy going somewhere else. Bro, they out here heavy. See somebody in there that's not moving at all. He has his fucking lights on me now. That's a helicopter there. So I don't know. Helicopter, let me count cops. So I see one unit there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 just here, and then don't know how many are on the other side. Ho Chi, what? Oh, that's a unit. There's something going on. Something heavy going on, bro. I hear orders and stuff, but I can't make out what the hell they're saying. And then I see the dog going gnarly. I mean, I don't see it, but I hear it. What's up? No, those guys can see everything, bro. Something in the cuts back there. This place is like the cuts. It says friendly pharmacy, bro. Did they try to rob a fucking pharmacy? Alright, let me zoom into this because I guess they're calling somebody out. Looks like they're going in, bro. They're going in with guns and everything. Yep, they got guns out, bro. They're going in. Like 30 of them over there, bro. Going in. Hell of them went in there, bro. Like a lot. I don't know, this looks like somebody's in that car, but I can't tell. You just see one ball guy out now. There's hell of them, bro. Looks like somebody is chilling in this car. I don't know why they would be still. And there's this many cops out here with guns drawn, going inside this friendly pharmacy place. Well, I just want to see if they pull anybody out. They're out here, though, heavy. Heavy. Well, my damn shoulder hurts from holding the camera up. I gotta get those GoPros, bro. My shoulder, bro. Damn, they gonna check everything, make sure it's clear. this shit has bushes on it, bro. There's bushes everywhere. Somebody in there. I don't know, is she afraid to leave or something? You know, you can leave, man. But, see, these fucking bushes obstruct my fucking view. Yeah, I can. Can you let me know what's going on?
We're still investigating it.
Still investigating?
Some alarms went off.
Oh, okay.
Make sure everybody's alright, nobody's hurt, that type of stuff.
Got it, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
He was cool. Badge number 4888. Really just gave me, he tried to give me a rundown. He said some alarms going off, they're investigating, which is what I assumed. San Jose PD, badge number 4888. Yep. He asked me to stay on the sidewalk, and I understand. I'll do it. And there ain't no view that way anyways, bro. BTA guy? Kinda late, but it's like never too late for BTA guys. She out? She at? She's trying to figure out. She's gonna come ask me what's going on. I guess she the owner. She's probably the owner, I don't know. I mean, nothing else makes sense if you're not involved. There's no reason why you would be out here except you're fucking gnarly like me. I don't see nobody come out yet. Just that bald guy posted at this door, which he has been posted for a minute now. And this guy already asked me to stay on the sidewalk. I did. I asked him what was going on. He said some alarms, which is what I assumed. Come here, bro. That guy's still out there, bro. See, after all this shit, I don't know why they need a chopper. Why the fuck do you need a chopper for this? Can you explain now? Like, after these guys have already entered the premises. I'd just be sick if they pull somebody out from in there. That's all I'm waiting for. I'm about done here. But Another guy came up. Hold on, where? That's it. Yeah, that guy just pulled up. Yeah, looks like she is the owner. Yeah, I'm about to call it, guys. I know, I shouldn't, but some guy way in the cut. Even if I went like this way, yeah, there's like nothing there. It's a bit of a better angle. I see lights turned on. So they finally figured out. Friendly Pharmacy, bruh, that's a name. Bro, they take hella days. They're about to like search everything. Where the fuck are they? Where are you at it? Oh, bruh. They first announced, I guess, if anybody's in there, get the fuck out, because we're gonna come in there with guns, and if we see you, we're gonna blast your ass. Shit, hella throbbing. Yeah, so all these fucking over here, this used to be that fucking, what's it called, outpatient. And now all that shit is gone, and they're gonna build these high rises that you see over there. Yeah. Can't see shit. Screw the wheel. Need some oil in that. That's a cop. I just want to see if somebody else comes out. That's a cop. That's a cop. Just escorting her out. I guess we're clear. Yeah. False alarm. We're clear. He's out. It was a her, bro. I probably know her. There's two of them going this way. Are we going somewhere else? The chopper is out. Yeah, the chopper is out. These two are out. Well, no, these two came from that one fucking spot that they got down there. Damn, there were hell of them out here. And it's just right down the street. Like, these guys have this fucking, I don't know, the cop get spot. The cop parking lot. Just right here, right down the street. So all these guys come. I guess she's the owner. All these guys come out. Looks like everything is clear. The chopper bounced. We should be good. I don't know where this guy came from. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. Yeah, I'm about to ask them if we're all clear, and then I'm out, bro. Damn, that fool just went over the curb, bro. He went over the damn median. He did. I swear he did. Because these guys have to run somewhere else. I wouldn't doubt it, bro. Yeah, we're done here. Everything seems clear. Let me timestamp it. So basically a false alarm, or somebody did try to break in and trigger the alarm, but we're not successful. But they sent helicopters out here and a chopper till the fucking end. Oh yeah, we're done, bro. Trust me, I've been doing it long enough to know what the fuck is going on. It is 11:51 p.m. February 8th, 2021.